Hello, I'm going to do a series of videos where I will show you how to make these light boxes. So I will take you through everything from cutting the glass to doing the tracing painting to the shading, and then I will show you how to turn them into light boxes and put the wiring in and everything like that. These light boxes will be available on Etsy just as soon as I've loaded them up there. Nice christening gifts, I think. Okay, so I hope you enjoy and learn some useful things. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut out my pieces. This piece of glass on top I'm using as a template because it came from out of one of the frames I'm going to be using, so I know it's the right size. Now I'm probably going to need grozers for this. Oh no, there we are. Don't know my own strength. Now, sorry, I have to keep turning it round, otherwise I'm on the wrong side. Now, if I was to just run my cutter down the side here, my glass would end up about 2 mil too big, because as you all know, the wheel is in the middle. So I move my template glass over a little. Oh, actually, you know what? I've just remembered I'm going to put lead around the outside, so I'm going to mark it up for lead. Lucky I remembered, huh? Again, I've slightly shifted the glass to allow for the thickness of the nib. Oh, come on. Oh, this is really bad. I'll go get another pen. We'll edit this out, Frida. There we are. Okay. Now that is the size of the aperture. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take off so that it can be leaded. So I'm going to take it, because I've got my right edge here, I'm going to take a double spacing off the other side. So can you see that? That's how you want it to sit, like that. And then that's the centre of the heart. So you would want the glass to come up against there. But like I just said, I'm going to take a double off the top and side, because that makes much more sense. Okay. Now, with my square, which
I put it away over there, sorry.
Okay. Don't panic, don't panic. And as you know, this sort of glass has, are you still filming?
Yeah.
Yeah, has a rough and a smooth side, and you must cut on the smooth side. So oh, that didn't sound very nice. You shouldn't really ever go back over a cut. This may all end in tears. Ah, that's why there's this kind of crease here that doesn't like it. But we got away with it, so all good. Now, this side. So you need a square if you're going to do stained glass. There it is. So all our pieces for this project are going to be this size, and I need 5 of them. And these are leftovers from big sheets from jobs, and they're various shades of amber. Again, I'm just lining it up so that the width of the pen nib is adjusted for. This now is my template for cutting. cleanly. We can nibble that away with some roses. Flat side at the top. And that's going to be inside the lead, so that'll be fine. I don't know why it's not cutting very nicely today. There we are. Second piece. I'm going to keep this in my small amber section. This is, I think it's a slightly different piece, slightly darker, quite nice. Okay. So I haven't actually got a right edge on this piece of glass, so the first thing I'm going to do is just tidy up the edge. This tripod's in the way.
Sorry, I'll move it.
Thanks. So that I'm then working with a square edge. So, again. Yeah. All the way around it. It probably makes no difference at all. Again, save that.
That was a lovely sound.